Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. So today in this video, I'll show you how to change zoom icon on iPhone. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing first, open your shortcut and now tap on the plus button at the top right. And in this page, tap on add action button. Next, you just have to search open app in the search bar. Now just open the open app. And next that you have to do is just tap on the choose here. After that, just search the app that you want to change the icon. Here I'm gonna search zoom and tap on it. If the choose button is already changed to the app that you want to change, you just have to tap on the three dots button at the top and now tap on the add to home screen. After, select the profile icon here and tap on the choose photo to choose the photo that you want to use for your zoom icon. I'm gonna use this one. After that, I'm gonna tap on the choose button. And don't forget to change the name here. I'm gonna change it to zoom 2. And last, tap on add button at the top right in the corner of your screen. And yeah, it's added to your home screen. Now I'm gonna look for it in my home screen. Yeah, here you are guys. I already changed my zoom icon. So just it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon in the next one and good luck!